Futures are fractionally moving this morning as we await Federal Reserve Chairman Jay Powell's speech at the Fed's Jackson Hole Symposium on Friday. That symposium will be virtual, and Jay Powell's speech is going to be Friday morning. We are also this morning standing by for durable goods orders out in about 30 minutes. There is also a White House meeting on cybersecurity happening today. A number of CEOs will be there from technology and banking sectors. Joining me right now is U.S. Bank Wealth Management Chief Investment Officer Eric Freedman. Also joining the conversation all morning long this morning is Dagan McDowell and KT McFarland. Great to see you, Eric. Thanks very much for joining the conversation today. Tell me what you see as the driver for these markets at this point.
Maria, great to see you. And we think the driver of these markets continues to be earnings. Really, the Wall Street estimates have just been too conservative throughout the course of this year, and we're playing a bit of catch-up. The last couple of earnings seasons have been positive, really driven by technology, but also now cyclicals. We still think that cyclicals have some life left to them, Maria. So all the focus on the Fed, all the focus on foreign affairs, but really we think that earnings are the bottom line for this market.
Yeah, I'm really glad that you are looking at earnings as the main driver, because we've had a pretty good earnings season in the last couple of quarters, but there's a wide expectation on Wall Street that we've seen the best we're going to see. Yes, you're right. The earnings estimates are way too low. Wall Street analysts have to come and raise those estimates, no doubt about it. But have we seen peak growth at this point, in your view?
We think we've seen, just to make an analogy, Maria, we think the treadmill has probably been at about a 7 or 8, and it probably slips down to a 6. Still running at a decent pace and still seeing momentum. But we think that given how low interest rates are, that people are willing to pay up for those earnings. Just for example, we think that investors will keep a 23 or 24 times price to earnings multiple affixed to the S&P 500, which gives us, we think, about 6-7% room to upside for this year, another 12 to 13 for next year. So again, we do think we've probably seen the strongest rate of growth, but we're still chugging along at a decent pace here.
So, which leads me to the question about how you allocate capital, because, of course, you know there's a debate, growth versus value. The NASDAQ closed above the 15,000 level for the first time yesterday. The gains, of course, led by big tech like Alphabet, Microsoft. Eric, what do you think about tech valuations right now, and would you be more poised to go growth or value?
Maria, as someone who lived in San Francisco during the late 1990s, it's tough to say that technology has been almost a defensive component of the market here. But we think that long-term, the demographic picture as well as the productivity picture will lead CFOs to want to spend more on things like enterprise technology and communication services. So we think that technology is something that clients should continue to own, and if anything, to add on weakness in this environment. If we look at the reopening trades, that's the cyclicals, so leisure, hospitality, and consumer discretionary, we think there's still some room for upside there, but we would be rotating back into technology. So even though it did hit a high, all-time high, 15,000 threshold yesterday, we still think there's some room to go. We'd really be adding to it on weakness here.
Yeah, in fact, today there is a big meeting at the White House with CEOs. It's going to focus on cybersecurity. You've got people like Tim Cook from Apple, the CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon. They're going to talk about the cybersecurity risks, Eric. Would you be poised to invest in companies that are looking at cybersecurity as a threat and ramping up there? I mean, to me, this seems like one of those must-invest areas. If you're a corporate CEO, you've got to ensure that you've got the proper cyber police on the beat.
It's a really important theme, Maria. It's actually one of 4 themes that we think are very durable in this environment, genomics being another one. But cybersecurity is a real threat. If you look at how globalized, of course, the world has become, but also this whole push towards digital, that makes a lot of companies vulnerable, and not just in financial services, but really across the spectrum. We've seen that not just in the U.S., but also across Europe. Companies with more vulnerable firewalls have been hit. And so looking at spend from CFOs, thinking about protecting their most valuable assets, that cyber is going to be an area that people continue to spend money on. So that is an important theme and one that we're actively investing in for clients.
What a market. S&P 500 up almost 20% year to date in 2021, and the records just keep on coming. Eric, we will catch up with you soon. We so appreciate your insights this morning on investing today.
Thanks, Maria.